everyone, welcome to Ellis Mowers. Another quick product review from Himimi. They sent me, in addition to the thing that you put aluminum foil and stuff in, that little roller, they sent me this. This you put plastic bags in. You can fit all your boxes in, like snack bags, quart bags, gallon bags, sandwich bags, and all that good stuff in it. Works really good, looks pretty modern, made out of bamboo. You can hang it on the wall. In order to get it open, there's a little clip on the side here. Decently sturdy, especially for what you're going to be doing with it. The clip is pretty on there, fairly tight, so I'll get that off. But inside, I'll pull this out. You can you got little pads here if you want to set it on something. It is small enough to fit in most regular sized drawers if you decide to do that. It comes with labels and stuff as well. So thank you Himimi for sending this. Links down below. We're going to get this clip unfastened up top and get some bags in here, and I'm going to show you all how it works. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to do the sandwich bag holder here. Again, this will fit in a drawer if you need it to. So keep that in mind. It will not fit sideways, at least in my standard drawer that I have here. If you have a wider drawer, it may fit. But I got the latch unlatched on the side here. Open it up. Shows all your stuff here. I don't have all of the bags, but I do have gallon bags. And again, if you want to fit the box in there, you can. Sandwich quart bags, so the quart bags would go right there. But again, that box is a little too tall, so you just kind of have to be mindful of, you would have to take, you can also take these out of the box here. And put them in like this. And just, fetch it like that. That would work too. You just pop, pop a bag out just like so. Or you can keep, as long as the box is small enough, you can pop a bag out and keep the box in there. It just kind of depends. So, again, if you have a big sandwich bag holder like this, it's not going to fit. You just open it up and shove the bags in. Y'all can see. Pretty easy to do. So pretty straightforward. Again, you can hang this on your wall if you want to also with this. So it could declutter or it could declutter a drawer, or it could declutter a few areas in your house. If you have a little bit of wall space, that helps out too. Bamboo fits in pretty much any kitchen, old, new. So again, the gallon bags you can pop in here as well if the box is shallow enough. If not, just take them out of your box, shove them in there, and that's it. So that's this. Pretty handy item. We'll wrap this video up. And one last time with all the bags in it, just for display for you. So we'll wrap this video up now. Alright guys, there you have it. So this thing will fit quite a lot of bags if you do stay organized in your garage or shop or in your kitchen. This will help in terms of being able to get a bag fairly easily and help keep you organized so you don't have a bunch of stray boxes lying around. So thank you Himimi for sending this product, and thank you all for watching this product review. If you're a company that would like for me to review your product, feel free to reach out to me, ellis@ellismowers.com or at ellismowers09 on Instagram and Facebook. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.